Hello, dear friends, and welcome back to Levitas, your trusted guide for health and wellness insights. Today, we are embarking on a trip to explore the intricate world of gut health and delve into the transformative power of 9 remarkable foods that will make your gut barrier healthier. So come on and join us as we uncover the secrets to healing and fortifying your gut barrier for optimal health. Are you yearning for vitality, balance, and digestive harmony? Prepare to unlock the potential of your gut as we unravel the mysteries of gut health. Before we get deep into today's subject, let's unravel the importance of our gut health and its profound impact on our overall wellness. What is the gut microbiota? The gut microbiota is the symphony of microbes within the confines of our digestive tract. In your gut lies a bustling metropolis teeming with trillions of microorganisms, collectively known as the gut microbiota, which have incredible benefits for better skin, healthier hair, mood regulation, heart health, brain function, improved immune system, better digestion, increased nutrient absorption, and many more. Imagine a vibrant ecosystem where diverse bacterial species coexist, each type playing a crucial role in orchestrating digestion, nutrient absorption, immune function, weight loss, and even mood regulation. What is the gut barrier? At the heart of this bustling metropolis lies your gut barrier, a complex network of cells, mucous membranes, and immune cells tasked with safeguarding our body from harmful invaders. Think of it as a vigilant gatekeeper, selectively permitting nutrients to pass through while warding off pathogens, toxins, and other foreign substances. What happens if you have a compromised gut barrier? As we have learned about the importance of the microbiome and the gut barrier, it's time to talk about that moment when the integrity of the gut barrier is compromised, a condition often referred to as increased intestinal permeability or leaky gut. Trouble ensues. Picture breaches in the fortress walls, allowing harmful substances to infiltrate into the bloodstream and trigger systemic inflammation. Autoimmune reactions, chronic illness, bloating, and a host of gastrointestinal troubles. Now we have all the basic information about what the gut barrier is and how important it is for our health and weight loss. Let's talk about what are the 9 guardians of gut health. So, let's turn our attention to the 9 esteemed guardians of gut health, the culinary superheroes poised to restore, nourish, and fortify your gut barrier. Food number 1, bone broth. A golden elixir brimming with collagen, amino acids, prebiotics, and minerals, bone broth serves as the cornerstone of gut healing, imparting strength and resilience to the gut-lining proteins. Food number 2, fermented foods. From tangy sauerkraut to effervescent kombucha and the magnificent kefir. These fermented delights are full with prebiotic elements, probiotic powerhouses that populate the gut with beneficial bacteria, bolstering immunity and promoting digestive harmony. Having any of these on a daily basis ensures the strength of your gut barrier, as well as creating a better and more diverse microbiome. Food number 3, prebiotic-rich foods. Embrace the delicious onion, garlic, and artichokes as your allies in gut health, as these prebiotic powerhouses fuel the growth of beneficial gut microbes, nurturing and strengthening a flourishing microbiome through insoluble and soluble fiber elements. Food number 4, omega-3 fatty acids. As we go into the cold depths of the gut with omega-3 rich salmon and sardines, you can start to take full advantage of the excellent anti-inflammatory power of these fatty acids to quell gut inflammation and foster better healing. Try having fatty fish like salmon 2 to 3 times per week to absorb more of these anti-inflammatory fatty acids, and also consider having a high-quality omega-3 supplement on a daily basis. Food number 5, leafy greens. Verdant and vibrant, leafy greens like kale and spinach full of fiber, antioxidants, and phytonutrients serve as solid pillars of gut health and champions of digestive wellness, as fiber serves as a food source for our friendly bacteria. Food number 6, ginger and turmeric. Include these amazing elements of ginger and turmeric into your daily life. Experience these ingredients in your daily meals for a culinary adventure. The warming spices of ginger and turmeric, prized for their anti-inflammatory properties and soothing effects on the digestive tract, will aid on the repair and strengthening of your gut lining. Food number 7, berries. Indulge in nature's sweet bounty with succulent berries, brimming with antioxidants, fiber, and polyphenols that nourish the gut and promote microbial diversity. Always remember having organic berries. This is massively important. Food number 8, coconut products. From creamy coconut milk to luscious coconut oil, embrace the tropical allure of coconut products, rich in medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, and lauric acid, which provide antimicrobial benefits upon the gut and help you get rid of the nasty bacterias. Food number 9, aloe vera. Harness the soothing powers of aloe vera, revered for its anti-inflammatory properties and ability to soothe gastrointestinal distress, offering a needed break to a mistreated gut barrier. By now we have acquainted ourselves with our gut's esteemed allies. Let's embark on a culinary travel and explore practical tips for incorporating these gut-nourishing delights into our daily regimen. Here are the practical strategies for gut-nourishing delights. Start your day on a savory note with a steaming mug of bone broth, infused with aromatic herbs and spices. A cup is more than enough. Bone broth is made from the cooking of bones with a pressure panel, at low fire for at least 10 to 12 hours. Elevate your meals with the zesty tang of fermented foods. You can start crafting vibrant salads, wraps, and bowls bursting with probiotic and prebiotic goodness. Sauerkraut is a good ingredient to add to your daily salads and meals. Savor the earthy richness of prebiotic-rich vegetables, incorporating them into soups, stir-fries, and side dishes for a gut-friendly feast. Embrace the omega-3 fatty acids of fatty fish, whipping up succulent seafood dishes brimming with anti-inflammatory goodness. Also initiate having a high-quality omega-3 supplement to increase the absorption of these amazing fatty elements. In conclusion, and to summarize today's video, the journey to gut health is a sacred pilgrimage, one that transcends mere sustenance and delves into the realms of weight loss, healing, renewal, and transformation. By embracing the nourishing qualities of these 9 gut-healing foods, we take good care of the health of our gut, the health of our bodies, and cultivate a legacy of wellness for generations to come. As we walk into the road to gut healing through mindful nourishment and nurturing self-care, we pave the path to vibrant health and radiant vitality. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening expedition into the realm of gut health. If you found this video helpful and informative, be sure to share it with your friends and family. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos on weight loss, health, and fitness content. Also, leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts, and experiences on your gut and microbiome health. We love hearing from you. Your support is very appreciated. It helps us grow and create even better content for you every week. Remember to fuel your body with the right foods, stay consistent with your training, and keep striving for your goals. Until next time, remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice to help you on your fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.